Hello everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this G-Card mechanical wireless gaming keyboard. So let's cut the seal on this box. You can hear some stuff shaking inside. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's just the USB wireless adapter. So some of the feature which they advertise on this keyboard, they said it's compact, a compact layout, customized lighting, so you could change the lighting on the keyboard. So let's take a look inside the box. So there it is. So inside the box here we have a nice little cable. I would say it's like braided material here, and it's a micro USB. We have the USB wireless adapter which you plug in the computer, and we have a little piece right here. I'm not sure what this is. We have a little information guide, okay, which tells you everything you need to know about the keyboard. It's how to change the lighting and the function using the function button, which is pretty nice. So this keyboard has a function button just like your laptop, and your function button would be this one right here, FN. It also comes with an attention that tells you to switch the lighting mode to off by pressing function and F9. We'll get into that in a moment. And the good thing about this keyboard, you could charge it, so it carries a built-in battery. I'm not sure what the size of it, and it's compatible with any computer, so whether Windows or Mac, you should be able to use it once you have a USB port. And I believe you could also use it with the wired, so if you connect the wire to it and plug it to your computer, it will be a wired keyboard. So this is where you plug it to charge it or to use it as a wired keyboard. It has some stand at the back where you could just flip out, and you have your on and off switch. So that's basically it for now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to my computer to see what it is like. So if you remember this tool that I've mentioned earlier on, the purpose of this tool is to remove the keys. So as you could see, I remove a key there. So I'm gonna go ahead, you just push this tool all the way over, and once it snaps in place, you just pull up, and there it is, the keys off. So I guess in case if you want to do some cleaning, this is a good tool to keep. Okay guys, so I just connect the USB adapter to the PC, and as you could see, the keyboard is light up. So we have different colors. We have red up top, orange, blue, green, purple, light blue. And if I should press function F9, gives you a different look in which you just keep changing the color right across the board. And if I hit function F9, it gives you a sweep with multicolors. Function and F9, it gives you some random colors all over. And let's function and F9, it turns it off. And function and F9, turn it back on, so you get all lights. So there you have it guys. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do and you want to purchase this gaming keyboard, I'll be putting a link down below in the description, so you could check the link in the description. And I bought it from Amazon for $60, so go ahead and purchase it if you like it. Thanks for watching. Remember to share this video, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.